Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by committing to a strong gesture. Draw one flowing line from head through the spine to the feet so the pose reads immediately. Then block in the ribcage and pelvis as rotated ovals. This gives you the torso twist that defines Goku's stance. Make sure to mark shoulder and hip angles now, because once proportion errors appear, they compound. As you refine, reduce shapes to simpler cylinders for arms and legs so limb foreshortening is obvious and consistent. Now refine anatomy. Carve the jaw, indicate cheek planes, and set the brow. This is where Ultra Instinct's calm intensity comes from, so keep facial features firm. Once done, sculpt major muscle groups with simple volumes to hold weight and kinetic force. Make sure muscle landmarks align with the pose. For the hair, treat it as a single mass of spikes, then subdivide into distinct clumps that follow an upward flow. Make adjustments so everything reads from a distance and in silhouette. Finish by inking with deliberate weight. You want thinner interior details and thicker outer contours to sell volume. Once inked, lay down flat colors, then apply cell shading on planes facing away from the light. This clarifies form. For Ultra Instinct energy, add an aura with loose, semi-transparent strokes and one or two glow layers. This makes the character pop. If something feels off, check the silhouette and perspective first. Adjust proportions or re-angle limb foreshortening to correct the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.